3, 2, 1.
In binary fission, when does each genome separate into daughter cells? The answer is C, as the membrane invaginates to split the cytoplasm. Played by Denver Pyle during the 6-year run of the show, who was the patriarch of the Duke clan on The Dukes of Hazzard. The answer is B, Uncle Jesse Duke. At the outbreak of the war, who led the Austro-Hungarian Empire? The answer is C, Franz Joseph I. How much does the America-class amphibious assault ship weigh? The answer is C, 45,000 ton. How many copies of On the Origin of Species were created in the first printing? The answer is A, 1,250 copies. A muntjac is what type of animal? The answer is B, deer. Who does Lieutenant Bill brag about advising? The answer is A, General Ulysses S. Grant. How many forklifts are available for use in an everyday production? The answer is B, 26. What metal is used most often in electrical wiring? The answer is A, copper. In information technology, for what does the L stand in LAN? The answer is D, local. In which U.S. state is the Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railway? The answer is C, Colorado. Why is Peter afraid to be in the garden? The answer is B, because of his previous experience in it. New York artist Vincent Castiglia is noted for painting with what unconventional substance? The answer is D, blood. The second longest river in China, the Yellow River, is known locally as what? The answer is D, Huanghe. What was the name of the settlement that was assessed after the evacuation? The answer is D, Edinburgh of the Seven Seas. What does the expression E and O mean? The answer is B, errors and omissions accepted. What ceremony involves the whole village? The answer is B, a graduation ceremony. What is the color of the powder of a mineral? The answer is D, streak. The decline of the Fujiwara's governmental power was filled by what? The answer is D, Inocho. Which generation of cameras are capable of storing higher refined images? The answer is B, earlier. Where did these situations take place? The answer is A, strip club. What contributed to developing military technology for Sumer? The answer is A, almost constant wars. How many albums did Ray of Light sell worldwide? The answer is C, 16 million copies. What did Foster publish after A World for Us? The answer is C, The Case for Idealism. Which sitcom with Vicki Lawrence was a spin-off from The Carol Burnett Show? The answer is A, Mama's Family. Which of these statements is not a myth about chocolate? The answer is C, it is unsafe to feed chocolate to a dog. Which four main linguistic and cultural regions make up Switzerland? The answer is C, German, French, Italian, and Romansh. What is the city lacking because of the height restrictions? The answer is B, hotel rooms and office space. Which former colonies still have tight monopolies on colonies? The answer is A, French. What is the term for getting used to something after being consistently exposed to it? The answer is C, habituation. There was direct confrontation between the Warsaw Pact and which organization? The answer is C, NATO. What does the creditworthiness of businesses depend on? The answer is C, future profits. Which musical has characters Columbia, Magenta, and Dr. Everett Scott? The answer is D, Rocky Horror Picture Show. Where did Palabian Slavs once settle? The answer is D, parts of England Danelaw. What 1975 movie is this conversation from? The answer is A, Jaws. What was the name of Xian Feng's concubine? The answer is D, Cixi. Off the coast of which county would you find the Goodwin Sands? The answer is A, Kent. What is the busiest container port in the United States? The answer is B, Port of Long Beach. How does emotional speech processing determine a user's non-emotional state? The answer is C. Analyzing speech patterns. What is true about elephant tusks? The answer is B. They are highly developed incisors. What can be traced back to the first millennium? The answer is D. Vedic Sanskrit. What may have happened before the new law regarding reverse mortgages? The answer is D. Seniors were taken advantage of with high fees. What element is considered the lightest? The answer is B. Hydrogen. What is one of the famous movies Greek composers has scored? The answer is C. Zorba the Greek. Manuka, tupelo, and firewood are all types of which foodstuff? The answer is A. Honey. What country is the race taking place in? The answer is A. Hungary. Who wrote and performed the 1997 hit song Angels? The answer is B. Robbie Williams. Who invented the saxophone in 1840? The answer is C. Adolphe Sax. The .44 Magnum was made famous by which fictional TV policeman? The answer is D. Dirty Harry. In Celsius, what is the boiling point of water?